Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a spring vegetable soup with some spring veggie bounty. I've got zucchini, I've got asparagus, and I've got a leek too, and I'm just going to put it all together and make a lovely soup full of fresh in-season veggies. And I'm going to start by melting butter in a saucepan and cooking up my leek. But if you want it to be dairy free, you could use olive oil or coconut oil instead. But as always anyway, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which you can click through to pin, bookmark and save for whenever you want to make this soup. And I'd also appreciate if you'd leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know your favorite way to enjoy spring veggies. So let's get on and cook up our leek. I've got the leek softening over medium heat with some butter. You can add salt, pepper, any seasoning to taste. You can even add some chopped onion or garlic if you want. I'm just keeping it simple. So we've got the leek in, and now I'm going to chop up the rest of the veggies. So with my asparagus, I've chopped off the woody bottoms, we've cubed up the zucchini, and I'm going to chop up the asparagus and just keep the tips and cook the tips the last minute, just for a few minutes. Everything else will cook through now. The zucchini are in, just going to give them a few minutes to soften. So I've chopped the asparagus up, we've got them separated from the asparagus tips, and we'll add the asparagus in but keep the tips back for later. So we've got all the veggies in, just give them a good toss through, add more butter, salt, pepper, anything you like to taste, and next we'll pour over the stock. I'm happy with how the veggies have softened. What I like to do is I've added on one stock cube, and then I just pour over water from a boiled kettle to just cover the veggies. And then what we'll do, that's perfect, we'll mix through the stock cube and get it nice and dissolved, and then I'll bring it up to boil and then reduce it down to a simmer. And it's not going to need too long to cook, just cook it until the veggies are softened to your liking, maybe only 15-20 minutes until it's done, and I'll show you my finished soup next. The soup is almost done. I've just added in the asparagus tips, give them another minute or two, and then the soup will be ready. And I've taken the soup off the heat. It's a bit blurry, it's very hot, but if you give it a nice stir, you can see all the green veggies and the asparagus and zucchini, and it's just such a wonderful soup, such a wonderful way to celebrate spring and all the spring veggies and the bounty of vegetables. And as I mentioned, I've got down below the blog post which will have the full recipe and step-by-step instructions, which you can click through to pin, bookmark and save whenever you want to make this lovely soup. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this lovely recipe a try. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.